Hello everyone, I am Pranav Mule and I want to start by expressing my sincere gratitude to Code Basics for this opportunity to present today. A special thanks goes to Hemanand Vadival and Dhaval Patel. Their experiences have been a rich source of learning for me, much like mentors guiding my journey. So today we will explore a case study on Mitron Bank and Atliq Data Services, focusing on the transformative role of data analytics in the banking industry. So let's delve into this narrative and uncover the insights it holds. So, so let's talk about the problem statement. So there's this big old bank in Hyderabad called Mitron Bank, right? So they want to start selling a new type of credit card to get more customers. Now, there's this company, Atliq Data Services, that heard about this and thought, hey, we can help them with that. So they go to Mitron Bank and suggest working on this project together. But the bank strategy guy, like Mr. Bashneer Grover, isn't totally sold on this idea yet. He's like, let's see what you have got first. So he gives Atliq some data on 4,000 customers from 5 different cities, focusing on how they spend money online and other stuff. Okay. Atliq has this data analyst Peter Pandey. He's been asked to dig into this data and figure out what it all means. The idea is that whatever Peter finds out will help the bank make these new credit cards really appealing to customers. Okay. So Peter's boss Tony Sharma is giving him tips and ideas on how to make sense of all this info. So if Peter does a good job and impresses the bank, Atliq might get the green light to handle the whole credit card project. So yeah, there's a lot riding on Peter's shoulder to pull this off. Okay. So let's talk about Tony's insights idea. So let's break it down informally. So who's who? Like first we are gonna sort our customers into groups, thinking of it like putting them into buckets based on stuff like how old they are, whether they are guys or girls, what jobs they do, and so on. We'll also do the money watch. We'll figure out how much of their income they are actually spending. It's like checking how much of their paycheck they use up. The more they spend, the more likely they are into using credit cards. We'll also monitor their shopping habits. So we are gonna snoop around to see whether shopping the cash. Like, are they online shopaholics or more into grabbing a bite at fancy restaurants? And does their job or age change how they spend? So this helps us know what cool features to add to the credit cards. We'll also keep an eye on our star customers. So by doing all the above, we can spot our star customers, the ones who will probably love these new credit cards the most. Okay, so we'll get to know like them really well, what they like, how they spend, and all of that stuff. Okay, so we'll also try to look into our star customers. By doing all of the above, we can spot our star customer, the ones who will probably love these new credit cards the most. So we'll get to know them really well, like what they like, how they spend, and all of that stuff. Okay, we'll also give the credit card perks. Based on what we find, we'll suggest some neat features for the credit card. Maybe stuff like extra points for dining out or discounts on online shopping, depending on what our customers are into. So in short, we are playing detective with the data to figure out who our customers are, how they spend their money, and how we like a credit card they can't resist. Okay, so let's get into it and see what we find. So we'll talk about the demography now. So based on the data sets we've got provided, here are some insights about the customers of Mitron Bank. Okay. So customer distribution by city. So Mumbai has the highest number of customers, around 27%. Other significant customer bases are in Chennai, Bengaluru, Delhi, and Hyderabad. Okay. We'll also look at the age group. The largest age group is between 25 to 34 years old, with 1,498 customers. The next significant group is between 35 to 45 years old, with 1,273 customers, and the least represented are those aged 45 and above, which comprises of 538 customers. We will now look into the gender distribution. Like, there are significantly more males than female customers. Male customers are around 2,597 and female customers are around 1,403. Okay. Income segment, the customer base is equally divided into high income and low income segments, 1,000 customers each. The medium income segment is the largest, comprising half of the total customers, which is 2,000. Okay. The majority of the customers are married, okay? Around 3,136, while single account for only 864 customers. If we talk about the occupation, like salary IT employees form the largest occupational group, which is 1,294. Other significant occupational groups include salary, other employees, freelancers, business owners, and government employees. So from this data, we can infer that the primary target demographic for new credit card might be middle income married individuals in the age group of 25 to 34, predominantly males, and working in IT or related sectors, and residing in cities like Mumbai, Chennai, and Bengaluru. So this information can guide the development of credit card features and marketing strategies to appeal to these key customer segments. Okay. So we'll talk about the income analysis which we have done. So based on the data sets we have got provided, here are insights into the income utilization of Mitron Bank's customers. Okay. So income utilization by age group and payment type. So younger age group, which is between 21 to 24, has a lower income utilization percentage, with the highest being 14% for UPI payments. And the age group between 25 to 34 age group shows a higher utilization, particularly with credit cards, which is around 20%, indicating this group might be more inclined to use credit cards. And if we talk about overall income utilization, the overall income utilization percentage for the data set is 43%. This indicates a moderate level of spending relative to income, which can be a significant factor for credit card usage. And if we talk about the spending categories, top spending categories include bills, which is around 8%, groceries, which is 6.96%, electronics, which is 6.42%. So this suggests that credit card features could focus on the areas to attract customers. Okay. So now we will talk about income utilization by occupation. So salary IT employees have the highest income utilization at 51%, indicating a strong potential for credit card usage in this group. Freelancers also show high utilization, around 45%, suggesting they could be a key target segment. Business owners and government employees have lower utilization rates, at 33% and 29% respectively. If we talk about detailed customer income and spending, so this shows customers with median income having income utilization percentages ranging from 54% to 60%. So these insights suggest that middle-aged professionals, particularly in IT and freelancing, exhibit higher income utilization percentages, indicating a greater likelihood of credit card usage. So additionally, spending habits across different categories and payment types can inform tailored credit card features. Okay, now we will talk about spending insights. So based on the insights related to spending behavior, here are insights into how customers at Mitron Bank are spending their money. Okay. So we will look into spending by age group and payment type. So younger customers between 21 to 24 have significant spending on UPI and credit cards. with UPI leading slightly. Okay. The age group 25 to 34 shows much higher spend on credit cards compared to other payment types, indicating a preference for credit card usage. Now, if we look at spending by category, so major spending categories include bills, electronics, and apparel. So this suggests that credit card rewards or cashback offers in this category would be particularly attractive to customers. Okay. Now, seasonal spending trends. So there's noticeable increase in spending from May to September, with September seeing the highest income utilization. So this trend can inform the timing of promotional campaigns or special offers to align with higher spending periods. If we talk about the overall spending data, the average spend per customer is quite significant, suggesting a customer base with considerably spending power. So this indicates the potential for premium credit card offerings or higher credit limits. Okay. So target market. Target market will be a salaried IT professional, particularly shows a strong income utilization percentage and high average spend per customer. This suggests that targeting salaried professionals, especially in the IT sector, could be beneficial. So based on these insights, Mitron Bank can tailor its credit card features to cater to the preferences and habits of its customers. This includes focusing on high spending categories for rewards, aligning credit card promotions with peak spending months, and considering premium card offerings for higher income segments such as IT professionals. Okay. And if we talk additionally, leveraging the popularity of digital payments method like UPI and credit cards among younger customers could be a key strategy. Okay, now we will talk about the key customer segments. So we can identify and profile key customer segments for the new credit cards from Mitron Bank. So here are key segments and the profile. Okay, so young professionals which age between 25 to 34. So this is the predominant age group, likely to be unmarried or newly married. So the spending behaviors is high utilization of credit cards, like especially for online purchases and lifestyle expenses. Okay. Financial preferences, if we talk about, like interested in digital banking solutions, reward programs, and credit card benefits like cashback and discounts on lifestyle spending. And salaried employed, if we talk about salaried IT employees, mostly male, falling into the age group 25 to 34. The higher spenders with strong preference for credit card usage, significant spending on electronics and online transactions. Okay. If we talk about the financial preference, likely to appreciate benefits related to technology purchases, which has the higher credit limits and flexible payment options. And so if we talk about the middle income family, the financial preferences attract to premium credit card features such as launch access, high reward points, and exclusive membership benefits. And if we talk about freelancers and creative professionals, like they are the varied age group, potentially leaning towards younger demographics. Their spending behaviors are irregular with mix of professional and personal expense. And the financial preferences are likely to value credit cards with low flexible payment options and reward for business related expenditures. So for each of these segments, Mitron Bank can tailor its credit card offerings to match their specific needs and preferences. So this includes customizing reward programs, setting appropriate credit card limits, and offering relevant additional benefits. Marketing strategies should also be aligned to target these segments effectively, utilizing the channels and messaging that resonates with each group's characteristics and preferences. By focusing on these key customer segments, Mitron Bank can increase the likelihood of successful adoption and usage of their new credit card products. So we'll talk about credit card usage insights. So this offer insights into credit card usage among Mitron Bank's customers, categorized by city, occupation, age group, and spending categories. So here's the summary of the findings. So overall credit card usage, the total indicates a substantial reliance on credit cards for expenditure. Credit card usage by city and occupation. Okay. In Bangalore, credit card usage varies significantly across different occupations. For example, like salaried IT employees have the highest credit card usage. If we talk about percentage, it is around 4%, while government employees have the lowest, which is 0.6%. So this suggests that credit card usage is more prevalent among certain professional groups, particularly those in IT. Okay. So young professional age group, which is around age 21 to 24. So among the younger age group, salaried IT employees again show higher credit card usage, which is 2%. Compared to other occupations like business owners and freelancers, it comprises of 0.5% and 0.4%. So this indicates that younger professionals, especially in IT, are more inclined to use credit cards. So usage by age group and category. Again, age group between 21 to 24. So categories like entertainment and electronics, it is around 1% and 0.7% each, have higher credit card usage percentage. Apparel and food also show significant credit card usage, which is around 0.7% and 0.4% respectively. So this highlights that younger customers are more likely to use credit cards for lifestyle and entertainment related expenses. Okay. So from these insights, Mitron Bank can deduce that credit card usage is heavily influenced by factors such as occupation, age, and spending category. Young professionals, especially those in IT sectors, are key of credit cards. So with a preference for using them in categories like electronics and entertainment. Tailoring credit card features and rewards to cater to these preferences, such as offering higher rewards for spending in these categories or providing benefits that appeal to the tech-savvy demographic, can be effective strategies. Additionally, understanding these patterns can help the bank in targeting specific customer segments with customized credit card offers, thereby potentially increasing credit card uptake and usage. So, based on the insights gathered from the data and supported by secondary research, here are some key feature recommendations for Mitron Bank's new credit card to improve its attractiveness and usage. So, customized reward program. Implement a flexible rewards program tailored to spending patterns. For instance, offer higher cashback or reward points for categories like electronics, entertainment, and dining, which are popular among young professionals and IT employees. If we talk about digital integration, given the preferences for digital payment solutions, especially among younger customers, integrate features like contactless payments, virtual card numbers for online transactions, and seamless compatibility with digital wallets. Offer tiered interest rates based on spending and repayment behavior. This encourages responsible credit card usage and offers lower rates for customers who regularly pay off their balances. Personalized credit limits. So set personalized credit limits based on individual customer income, their spending habits, and credit history. So this customization can appeal to high income earners and ensure responsible spending among other segments. We can also give seasonal and festive offers, like we can launch special offers to increase rewards during popular spending seasons or festivals. So this can encourage card usage during high spending periods. We can also provide financial management tools, like including tools for tracking spending, setting budget limits, and receiving alerts on unusual transactions. These features can attract customers who are conscious about managing their finances. Uh, if we talk about exclusive partnership, partner with popular brands or services, especially in high spending categories like travel, electronics, and dining. Offer exclusive discounts or early access to sales. And if we talk about travel benefits, for customers with higher income and spending on travel, include benefits like lounge access, travel insurance, and no foreign transaction fees. Okay. If we enhance the security, we can offer advanced security features like one-time use card numbers for online transaction. Okay. Instant card lock unlock via mobile app and fraud alerts. Eco-friendly options, like we can offer eco-friendly options card made from recycled materials with additional rewards for environmentally friendly purchases. This can appeal to environmentally conscious customers. And if we talk about family card options, provide options for family cards with shared limits but individual reward tracking, okay, which are appealing to middle income families. We can also give flexible repayment options, like we can introduce flexible repayment options including installment plans for large purchases, which can be particularly appealing to customers with variable income like freelancers. Okay, we can offer lifestyle benefits, like offering lifestyle benefits like gym memberships, wellness program discounts, or access to exclusive events, especially for high income and young professional segments. So these features are designed to address the specific needs and preferences of Metro Bank's diverse customer. Okay, so thereby enhancing the value proposition of the credit card and encouraging its usage. Okay.
Before wrapping up, I'd like to take you through my dashboard. Okay. So I have created this 5 tabs over here. So this is a home button, demographic button, income button, spend button, and credit card analysis button. Okay, and I have the required filters over here with all the card visuals which represents the key metrics of the data. Okay, now if I go into demographic, and if I want to select a particular month, let's say August, I want to see the data for age group 21 to 24. Let's say in Bangalore city, and they should be IT, salaried IT employees. So I can see the data over here. Like, there are total 46 customers. Okay. Single are 33 and married are 13 customers. I can also toggle between these 2 buttons I have created over here. One is my marital status, which currently we are seeing the visual of, and this is of gender. Okay, so for that we again have to put the same filters again. Just do it quickly. Okay, so this is the count which we get. If I go into income, I have created a tree map and also a ribbon chart, table chart, and column chart, stack column chart. Okay. So over here we can see in the ribbon chart that age group 35 to 45, whose payment type is credit card, shows income utilization of 18.12%. So yes, we're going to spend. We can see and if we see the spending by category, we can see the spendings are more in the bills category. And if we see the income utilization, it is the most in the month of September. Okay, I've also created a table metrics over here. Like if I want to see the data at the detailed level, let's say salaried IT employees who uses credit card and they are within the age group 25 to 34, and if they are male or female, I can see data customer wise. Okay, over here I can see between the age group 25 to 34, the credit card utilization is around 95 million. Okay, and the last tab, which is credit card analysis. So over here we can see the age group 25 to 34 shows the highest credit card usage percent, which is around 17.86%. Okay, and through this scatter plot we get to know that the bigger the sizes, the more spending have been done. Okay, the sizes of the circle. So this circle is representing that age group. In the tooltip we can see that the age group between 25 to 34, if the occupation is salary IT employee, the credit card usage is around 8.08%, which is the most, followed by 6.84 and 3.05% and so on. Okay. This was all about my dashboard. Please do have a look. I have mentioned the link in the LinkedIn caption.
So, as we wrap up, I'd like to extend a heartfelt thank you to everyone for your attention and engagement. It's been an honor to share these insights and stories with you. If you have any questions or would like to discuss any of the points further, please feel free to direct message me or leave your queries in the comment section. I'm eager to engage in more discussions and learn from your perspectives as well. So, thank you. Yes.